Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing the air filter, the interior air filter on the 2013 Tundra. 2013 Toyota Tundra, not a 2000 Tundra. But what we do is you take everything out of here. Oh, maybe it just pops up under here. Well, yeah. So it pops up on that side with this clip. Pops up and then lifts out on that side. And so then this says slide up, and then when you slide it up, it'll come out just like that. And then you hit this latch here, and there's one on that side, and then one on this side. This comes off, and it goes just like that. It goes up. And that is what I call pretty dirty. So up is up. On this filter, they printed the information on the wrong side to fit right in, so you have to turn it a quarter of a turn for it to fit. Push this in there like that. That goes on that side. And then this, where it slides up, and should pop back down like that. Okay, now again, if you have this little contraption, it tucks in like that, and then set it down, and then it pops into place there. Pops into place there. And that's it. That's how you replace the in-cabin air filter on a 2013 Toyota Tundra. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.